We were not designed to fail. We were not designed to live a life of fear. We were not designed to cower into the corners of the earth, void of hope and influence. We were designed for a purpose greater than just us. We were designed in the image of our Creator. A Creator so brilliant, He knew what we'd need along the way. He knew our gifts, our talents, and abilities. He knew our strengths, and He knew our weaknesses. He knew we tried to do it alone. He knew we needed others to be in community with us to help us grow. My dream is a community of believers growing together, realizing their God-given potential, making a difference inside and outside of the church walls.
UMI designed an app to help people of faith all over the world understand their unique purpose and how their work or careers matter to God.
It's a place where the power of church leadership can be felt long after the last amen has been said in the sanctuary on Sunday and put into practice every day of the week. It's not just for the individual user. We've built the UMI Connection App to support church leaders with interactive content, compelling video, and assessments that help them better serve the people in their faith communities.
This year, for our VBS, we're encouraging everyone in our church to not just use the books and kit we purchase, but also download the UMI Connection app so they can experience the My Work Matters interactive program. It's designed around the experiences of daily life with easy access on your phone or computer. I've even created a space on the app for my church to encourage each other throughout the week.
Launching your church or small group on UMI Connection is free and easy. Just go to the link below to get started.
We're just at the tip of the iceberg with this app. Think about what would happen if everyone in our churches not only understood why work matters to God, but came together to champion each other to thrive for the kingdom.